Alright, so today we're doing transmission fluid change. Hopefully you'll be able to hear. There's all the fucking cars. Alright. We're gonna drive this bitch up. She's due for a service at 190, so we're just on time here. We're gonna drive her up the ramps. Alright, sweet. Set your parking brake. Alright, now we're gonna come around to the front. Go under here. And this is what you're looking for right here. Just gonna use a 3/8 ratchet, just the square. So from the front of the car, on the passenger side, it's right there. Now, of course, I forgot the drain pan upstairs, so I gotta walk up and down the stairs 100 times. Alright. Okay, so turns out it's not upstairs, so back down the fucking stairs 100 times. We'll see here. Oh, it's here all along. Sweet. Alright, now we're back under this fucking thing. Find your bolt. It's kind of hard to hold this damn thing at the same time. Sure it's on loosen. Okay, and put your fan underneath there. Oh, almost forgot gloves. Alright, now that we're all gloved up in blue, let's make a giant fucking mess. And try not to burn yourself when this stuff comes out, 'cause it's probably 1,000 degrees. Oh yeah, she's coming. Doesn't look too bad, looks nice and red. We're just gonna let her drain. Ooh, this bolt is hot though. So there's a little bit of metal shavings on the outside there. Yeah. Okay, I'll let this drain for a bit and then we'll keep on. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe the end of this magnet here, get all the metal shavings off, clean this up a little bit. Doesn't take much, comes right off. Clean the threads. Good as new. Now you're supposed to replace this washer. I replaced it the last time, so I'm not going to replace it again. Should be alright for another time or two. Alright, and we're just about done here. Let's drip it out a little bit more. Okay, now that you have your new crush washer, you're going to put it on there. Just like that. And put it in right where you found it. The torque for this is 36 foot-pounds, and just tighten it till it's tight. That usually works for me. Okay. Alright, go ahead, guess. Where did I leave the new transmission fluid? Go ahead, guess. Upstairs. Of course. Okay, now we're gonna tighten her up. That should be good. Okay. Now, slide this out. Ooh, pretty. Now, I got the transmission fluid. Now in these cars you have to use stuff from the dealer, ATF DW1. I'm sure you could order it online. Now, this has got to go way down in here, where this little yellow thing is, right down in there. And I hope the funnel's not upstairs. Okay, so the funnel was upstairs, so I just cut a bottle in half. I refuse to go back up and down those stairs again, so we're just gonna stick this way down in there and add our transmission fluid. Okay, now that you're done, I said it takes 3 quarts of this. Now that we've messed around with that stupid half bottle, dumped all 3 in, I'm just gonna put this back in there. Burn your hand along the way. Okay. And that should be pretty much it. The only thing left to do now is take it for a ride. Oh yeah, we gotta do one more thing before we take this puppy for a ride. Okay. Fire up. Alright, and then to make sure you get enough fluid everywhere, you're gonna put it in reverse. And back to park. Then reverse. Neutral, then reverse. Just kind of go through all the gears without putting strain on them, just sitting still. Alright, then we're going to back her off the ramps. Okay. Well, it's moving. That's a good sign. And then you're gonna make sure you don't got no leaks. It's not all dumping out the bottom. There she was right there. Not leaking one bit. Okay. And you gotta reach down in here and burn your hand again and check the fluid. Make sure it's enough. Oh, and don't forget your funnel down there. Alright. That looks like a good spot for it. Okay, wiped it off. Take her out and see how she fares. Beautiful. Right at the full mark. And just stick her back in there. Focus. Good and proper. And then we're just about ready to take her down the road. Alright. Okay, let's take her for a cruise. Well, she's moving. That's a good thing. Alright, now let's pull out into 60-mile-an-hour traffic right after that. That'll be a good test. Come on. Alright, let's see what she's got. Sweet, she's shifting smooth. Now, the intervals for change, some people do every 15,000 miles. I do every 30, but if you just bought this car, you're gonna wanna change the fluid, drive it around for about a week, change it again, because when you change it, you're not getting all the fluid. You're only getting about half, so change it twice, and then you should be golden.